Hey, drone lovers, sky chasers, and anyone who's ever looked up and wished for a flying camera beast with more lenses than your grandpa's SLR bag. Word on the digital street is that the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is coming. And it's not just a mild upgrade. According to insiders like Jasper Ellens and Drone XL, April 24th, 2025 was supposed to be launch day. But turbulence may have hit. We're talking triple camera setup, a gimbal that spins like a caffeinated breakdancer, insane charging speeds, and flight time that might outlast your focus span. Buckle up. We're diving into all the spicy Mavic 4 Pro leaks and rumors. First up, let's talk about cameras. The Mavic 4 Pro isn't playing around. We're looking at a triple camera setup with 28mm, 70mm, and 168mm focal lengths. Translation? You'll have the flexibility to capture epic wide-angle landscapes, cinematic medium shots, and jaw-dropping close-ups without needing to swap drones or even lenses. This system screams creative freedom. Now here's the kicker. It's rumored to shoot 6K video on a larger sensor than its predecessor, the Mavic 3 Pro. While DJI hasn't spilled the beans on sensor size, all signs point to a game-changing leap in video quality. Filmmakers, this one's for you. Ever been mid-flight and the lighting shifts faster than you can say, lens flare? Well, forget the hassle of swapping out physical ND filters. The Mavic 4 Pro is rumored to have electronic ND filters. Adjusting your exposure digitally on the go? Yes, please. For content creators who work under unpredictable conditions, this is a game changer. Here's a feature I'm really excited about: a 360-degree rotating gimbal. Think smoother pans, more dynamic tracking shots, and even better performance in windy conditions. Plus, it's said to support vertical shooting natively, making it perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. DJI is clearly thinking beyond just filmmakers and into the realm of everyday creators. Battery life is where the Mavic 4 Pro flexes hard. We're talking a max flight time of 52 minutes. Realistically, expect closer to 45 to 48 minutes, but that's still industry-leading. And charging? Insanely fast. With support for 240-watt fast charging, you can charge 3 batteries in just 90 minutes, using DJI's new parallel charging hub. That's perfect for pros who need to keep the workflow moving without downtime. Now let's talk about the brains behind the operation: the RC Pro 2 controller. Featuring a tilting 7-inch touchscreen designed for outdoor visibility, this remote is built for precision. It's expected to be bundled with the Creator Combo, making it a must-have for professionals who want everything in one top-tier package. Pricing for the Mavic 4 Pro has been a hot topic, and for good reason. It's not exactly budget-friendly. The standard package, which includes the RC2 controller, is expected to start at $2,250. For those looking to extend their flight time and have additional accessories, the Fly More combo is rumored to cost $3,200. And at the top of the lineup, the Creator Combo, complete with 512 gigabytes of onboard storage, and the upgraded RC Pro 2 controller, comes in at a steep $4,400. These price points make it clear that DJI is targeting professional users and serious enthusiasts rather than casual flyers. But does the performance justify the price? Let's find out. Thanks to TikTok user Moro Tandoy, we've seen what might be footage from the Mavic 4 Pro. Highlights include razor-sharp details, rich contrast, and a rumored 24x zoom capability. But here's the million-dollar question: how much of that zoom is optical versus digital? We'll need hands-on reviews to settle the debate, but the early signs are promising. So, what's the verdict? The Mavic 4 Pro isn't just a refresh, it's a bold step forward. Triple cameras, 6K video, faster charging, longer flights, and pro-level controls. Whether you're a filmmaker, a photographer, or a content creator, there's plenty to get excited about. But here's the question for you: is the Mavic 4 Pro worth the premium price? Or is DJI starting to price out casual users? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more updates.